Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to run through a Peugeot 307 exhaust. Now I thought I'd do a video on this one. It's quite a basic repair, but basically I found out off my local factors that there's actually a modification for this exhaust. So the issue is the pipe rusts through on the joint and you have to replace the back box and in this case the back box and the center section. Now the problem with that is when you replace the center section, you have to replace the catalyst, which is obviously quite an expensive part because it's one part of the same pipe. So there is actually a modification where you can actually cut the pipe, and there's a pipe that sleeves over so you can replace the joint and you haven't got to worry about replacing the cat. And then obviously for the future on, then it's a separate part of the exhaust, so you haven't got to worry about it. So yeah, I thought I'd run through it. It's quite a simple one, so yeah, let's take a look.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.
Right then, so here's our 307 in my garage. Now I have actually gone ahead, and you can see the extension lead with my angle grinder under there, and replaced the pipe already. So here's the old one. You can see here's the joint between the center section and the back box, and you can see basically it's just completely rotted through, and you can actually see the clamp there is completely broke, but believe it or not, the rust is actually holding it all together, which is unusual. And then you can actually see behind the clamp the back box itself has actually rotted through as well. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the whole lot. So yeah, just thought I'd show that. Now you can see it on the floor, make it a bit easier for you. And there it is. Now there's the center section, so we'll just go underneath now and take a look. Now always axle stand your vehicle if you're going to work underneath. I'm a big believer in safety. So here's the new exhaust section in place. Now if we look over the back axle, you'll see there, you can see the back box in its two mounts, and the actual clamp is clamped on tight. There's two mounts on the back box, and then there's one mount on the center section, which is just by there. You can see I've put a new rubber mount as well while I was at it. And then if we follow it down, you can see this join about halfway up the car. And if we go further forward, you'll see just behind the subframe, there is our cat. So obviously, if we were to replace the whole exhaust, we'd have to replace that as well. And this way these pipes get a bit expensive. So basically what we're going to do is actually cut the pipe off so this slots over. So you can see it slots over the actual original pipe. So what I actually did was held it up, and then about a centimeter from where it actually steps, I just cut the original pipe off, you know, just to allow a bit of room to move it around to get it in the right place. And then basically cut it off and then slip the pipe on and then tighten the clamp up. And that's it really. It's quite a simple little job, little fix. It's not a very expensive part. I'll put everything down in the description, sorry. So yeah, thanks for watching.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.